Okay, so today we are going to be trying some Flips clusters, as you can see right here. And we are going to be trying some Reese's animal crackers. Yeah, so first we have the Flips clusters right here. Let's have one bite. That's what it's like inside. I can rate it. They're really chewy. So out of 10 is gonna be a 10. Yep, 10. It's crunchy, it's got chocolate, and it's a pretzel and crunchy. It's nice. Anyway, next we are trying animal cracker. Yeah, Reese's animal cracker. By the way, these are all American. 1 out of 10. It's a biscuit. It's a biscuit covered in peanut butter with some chocolate. And another. This is the inside. Mm. 10. That's definitely 10 out of 10. Also, I'd like to say a big thank you to my friend Bobby. Go subscribe to his channel. It's Bobs14, BOBS14. And also, I wanted to say a big thank you to my two friends, Aria and Anthony. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Yeah, they subscribed to our YouTube channel. Actually, and if you're watching this, Anthony and Aria, thank you so much for being our first 2 subscribers. And bye. See you tomorrow.